Now the first magical feature is personal computer. Using this feature, you can actually convert your TV as your laptop, which means that you don't have to invest 40 to 50,000 rupees on a laptop separately. Now especially children at home get a lot of project work from school for which a laptop is required. Parents usually carry the laptop to office and kids have to wait till the evening for the laptop to come back home so that they can finish their project work. Now Samsung has made it easy for you. You can actually use the TV as your personal computer, so you don't have to invest into a laptop separately. Another great advantage of personal computer is that a lot of us actually have laptops which we leave in office or desktop computers which we leave in office, and in case we need to access very important files from it, we have to go to office on our holidays to access those files. But with personal computers, from the convenience of our living room, we can remotely connect to the office laptop or desktop and access files from there. So we don't have to go to office on a Sunday. Now let me show you how these features work. There are actually three features in remote access, which comes under source. So when you go to source, you see this option called remote access. When you click over there, you will get three features. Let's talk about Office 365 first. Now Office 365 is the feature in which it helps you to save the cost of a new laptop. By simply launching this button over here, it takes me to the Office 365 website. I will have to use my username and password for the Office 365 subscription to be able to log in. I've already logged in over here using my username and password. Now if you see, I would be able to access my webmails, my OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, my calendar, my contacts, etc. So let's say I have to create a document on PowerPoint. I can simply click on PowerPoint. I can see that I have a bunch of templates to use from. So let's say I want to use this template for my PowerPoint presentation. I'll click on that. And if you can see right now, I've connected my mouse and my keyboard wirelessly. So this is connected through Bluetooth. But if you have a wired mouse or a wired keyboard, you can also connect that to the USB, which is placed at the back of the TV. Now using the keyboard and the mouse, I can now easily and quickly edit documents. And the great news is that whatever documents you create, it is automatically saved onto the cloud. So in case, let's say, while you are working, the power goes off, you don't have to worry about losing the data because all that data would be saved real time onto the cloud service. Okay. Now the next great feature of personal computer is screen sharing. Now the laptop that we have is generally a 15-inch screen size or maybe maximum 17-inch screen size. But sometimes we need a larger screen experience. So for example, I have a movie in my laptop and I want to see it on the larger screen of the TV. I can wirelessly share the screen of my laptop onto my TV. Or let's say I want to do a presentation and the presentation is saved in my laptop. I can mirror the screen of my laptop onto the bigger screen of the TV and run my presentation. It's very simple. All you have to do is enable wireless screen sharing from the laptop and the screen would be mirrored onto the TV screen. It's as simple as that. Now this is available in all Windows 10 and above laptops. The third feature about personal computer is remote PC. Now using this feature, I can connect to any laptop which is placed anywhere in the world to access it remotely. One condition to this is that the laptop has to be in network connected state. So it has to be connected to a network. It can be in the sleep mode, that's okay, but it has to be connected to a network. Now so we have a laptop which is placed over here, and I will connect that laptop remotely from my TV and use my TV as a laptop. So for that, I will have to enter my IP and my username and password. I can save it from using this button so that I don't have to enter my IP and username again and again. But then password for security reason has to be entered each time. So once I enter my password, I will simply click on connect. And after I click on connect, as you can see, it is right now showing the desktop of my laptop. So I can access any files over here. Whatever changes I'm making it in the laptop actually. I can even access my mails, create documents, access documents, delete documents. All the changes would be made in the laptop. Our consumers would be really happy to know that all these features are secured by our Knox proprietary security system, which is a military-grade security system. And this will ensure that your computer is not hacked, or there is no virus attack to your computer or your TV while you're using it as a computer. Now, like I said before, this is a unique feature to Samsung Smart TVs in 2019, and no competition has this feature at this point of time. Or in the future also, the chances are very dim that competition would have a feature as useful as this.